Good afternoon, all my 12th science students. My name is NP Shastri. Due to COVID-19, we have take online lecture subject biology. Subject biology, you have to chapter number second, reproduction in lower and higher animals. You have to study about the first study the what is meant by reproduction. Reproduction means it is a biological process of formation of new life from pre-existing life. Now reproduction, it is the mainly formation of new life. It is the main definition about the reproduction. Reproduction mainly divided into two parts. That is the first, it is the asexual reproduction, and the second one is the sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means they are the without formation of sexual gamete. A means that is the absent of the sexes. It is called as the asexual reproduction. It is in lower, that is the animals. Lower animals, asexual reproduction can be takes place. And sexual reproduction means that is the two, that is the formation of two gametes and fusion of, that is the two gametes. It is called as the epimixis. Sexually, that is the separate, that is the two parents are required for the in sexual reproduction. Now first you have to start for the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, without, that is the successor, without, that is the gamete, the reproduction cannot take place. Now first one is the gimule, that is the formation. Example for the spongilla. Gimule formation, that time, that is the mainly example for the in the Spirogyra, and it is comes under the phylum, that is the Porifera. Mainly, that is the archaeocyte cells are the mainly formation of the new organisms. Archaeocyte cells or amoebocyte cells, they can be formation of the new organisms. And mainly again, that is the totipotency. Totipotency, that is the meaning about the totipotency. The cell has capacity to form, that is the entire, that is the organism. It is called as the totipotency. Now second one is the budding type of the reproduction. That is the in example for the hydra. In budding means that the bud like projection can be formation and new animal can be developed. So that is called as the budding type of the reproduction. Example for the hydra. In phylum, that is the Cnidaria, or it is the Coelenterata, and it is required for that the only one parents. That is called as the cloning, that is the method. Now cloning means the progeny, that is the identical to parents, that is the pure can be formation. Now second one is the sexual reproduction. It occurs in the higher animals. Sexual reproduction, that is the two parents are the required, and mainly formation and fusion of gametes. That is called as the epimixis. Two parents are required in the sexual reproduction. Now two parents means that is the one is the male and second is the female. Male, that is the mainly sperms can be formation in testes. That means gonads. And sperm can be formation means gametes, that is the gametes and gonads. In female also, that is the egg can be development in that ovary. Okay. Now again in the male, that is the formation of the sperm means that is the spermatogenesis. In male, formation of the sperm, that means the process is called as the spermatogenesis. And second, that is the female, that is the oogenesis. Oogenesis means that is the formation of the or development of the egg in ovary. It is again meiosis process can be formation in the formation of the gametes. That means sperm as well as the egg. That time, that is the meiosis process can be occurs. Reduction of the chromosomes number, it is called as the meiosis. That is deployed to haploid number of the chromosomes can be formation in the sperm as well as the egg. Now Next that is the sexual reproduction in animals. There are the three events are present sexual reproduction. Now first that is the pre-fertilization. Pre-fertilization, that means first that is the fertilization, before that is the fertilization, pre-fertilization. Gametogenesis and gamete, that is the transfer can be takes place. Gametogenesis, gamete can be formation in that first in the pre-fertilization. Now second that is the fertilization, the fusion of male and female gametes, it is called as the fertilization. Now second that is the event. And last that is the third events, it is called as the post fertilization, after fertilization, that is the zygote can be formation and embryogenesis can be mainly. So again in patterns, that is the mainly, so two patterns are present. First that is the seasonal, that is the breeding, and that is the example for the goat, sheep and donkey. Only these are the seasonal, yearly, that is the one time that is the fertilization can take place or union of the male and female gametes, that is the seasonal breeding it is called. Example for the goat and sheep as well as the donkey. And second that is the continuous breeders. Continuous breeders means that is the throughout that is the year the fertilization can be takes place, so it is called as the continuous breeders throughout the year. Now next one, human male reproduction or human male reproductive system. In human male reproductive system, mainly that is the consist of a pair of testes. In testes, that is the production of the sperm. Now first that is the to draw for the testes. Next that is the upper covering, it is called as the testes, that is called as the epididymis. Epididymis, again three parts. The above it is called as the caput. Middle it is called as the carpus, and tail region last at the end cauda, that is the three parts are present in the epididymis. That covering it is called as the epididymis. Now next is the vasa differentia. This one long tube it is present, and production of the sperm, then that is the comes and through that is the this tube and collected is the mainly in the seminal vesicle. One more that is the point, it is again testes can be covered with that is the mainly scrotum or fold, that is the skin it is present outside it is the, and internal again that is the this connections are that is called as the guberculum it is present. Guberculum it is the connected by that is the scrotum outer wall. Now next that is the after vasa differentia, this is the mainly small that is the leaf like structure that is called as the seminal vesicle. A pair of seminal vesicles are present. Next it is the urinary bladder, this one, and common duct it is present. Urine as well as the connected by that is the seminal, that is the vas differentia tube it is connected here. First it is the sperms are collected in that seminal vesicles, semen it is collected, and a common duct it is present, and one more it is the covered, that is the prostate gland it is present. Large that is the gland, prostate gland covered with that is the, and next it is the it is called as the urethra, long tube it is, and up to that is the penis openings are present. Next Copper's glands, these are small that is the glands are the called as the Copper's glands. It is also called as the bulbourethra glands, and fluid can be again secretion, that is the white fluids can be secretion through the Copper's glands. The long tube it is called as the, that is the urethra. The common duct it is present, and urine as well as the semen or it is the sperm can be comes through it is the urethra to the penis, and last it is the ejaculation. Now this much again that part it is called as the penis. The penis again it is a long tube it is present, and mainly contraction that is the muscles are present in the internal. contraction muscles are present in the internal, and it is mainly for copulation organ. Seminal vesicle, it is the accessory sex organs. Now first it is the seminal vesicles. The seminal, that is the vesicles, are two, that is the small fibromuscular, that is the pouches present on, that is the posterior side of the urinary bladder. Seminal duct joins, that is the, with the vas deferens and form, that is the ejaculatory duct. Seminal vesicle secreted the various fluids, fructose, fibrogen, and prostaglandins. It contributes, that is the, about the 60% of the total volume of the semen. Fructose, it is the main provide for the energy to sperm for swimming. The prostaglandins stimulated the contraction in the female reproductive tract to help, that is the process of fertilization. The fibrogen help to coagulation of semen after ejaculation. Now main, it is the seminal vesicle, that is the main functions. Now second, it is the prostate gland. It consists of, that is the 20 to 30 separated the lobes which open separately into, that is the urethra. The prostate, that is the fluid, is a whitish liquid forming about the 30% of the total volume semen. Now next, it is the corpus glands. The corpus glands, mainly these are also known as the bulbourethral glands. They are pea-sized, that is the, and situated on, that is either side of the membranous urethra. These glands secrete an alkaline viscous fluid which neutralize acid that may be present in the penile urethra due to previous, that is the urination, and also, that is the lubricate vaginal of the female genital tract. Now last, how two questions will be created in the exam. Directed is the, what is the reproduction. Next is the describe the asexual reproduction, like these questions. Or diagram of the gemule, that is the diagram gemule formation. Or that is the describe the budding type of the reproduction. You have to refer for the textbook diagrams and draw the diagram with the label diagrams. Next is the asexual reproduction. Directed is the sexual reproduction in animals. Events you can asking, that is the 3 events: pre-fertilization, fertilization, and post-fertilization, and as well as the pattern of, that is the seasonal or, that is the continuous breeding. Like this is the question will be asking for the main exam. And last, it is the human male reproductive system. So that diagram, it is important. So 2 marks diagram you have to asking in the exam, or it is the with diagram and description. That time, that is the description, mainly you have to describe for the testes, parts about the in human male reproductive system. Testes you have to explain few points. Next is the vas deferens here. Next, seminal vesicle and glands and urethra. These few, that is the parts you can explain and with the diagram. So depends upon the marks you have to answer, that is the diagram 2 marks and 2 marks, that is the description. Okay, thank you.